Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today I'm sharing my Sunday morning breakfast routine with you all. Hope you like the video. So let's get started. So let's start making our breakfast. For the breakfast I'm going to make omelette. So I have a few eggs, cheese, butter, I have some coffee, I have some sweet buns. I'm going to make masala omelette. So I have these spices and I have some bread. Alright, I have chopped some onion very finely, some tomatoes and some fresh coriander for the masala omelette. First I'm going to crack some eggs. So I'll add salt, and I'm going to whisk the eggs. So to the egg I'm going to add onions, tomatoes and coriander. I'm going to add red chili powder. This is mild spicy. A little bit of turmeric powder. A little bit of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix this up. So my pan is hot. I'm adding some oil to it. Alright. And I'm gonna pour in the omelette mixture. So just make sure that you put all the liquid onto the pan. So to this now I'll add the cheese. Now I'm going to flip this. I like the cheese in the center. So now I'm going to flip it into half. It's lovely brown from outside. There you go, our omelette is all done. I'm just going to leave it for 2 minutes more on a very low flame. Okay. Alright, I'm boiling some milk for the coffee as well. Alright, the omelette is all done. Now we remove it. Great. So I've taken an empty teapot or saucepan, whatever you call it, and I'm going to add coffee. So I'm making 3 cups. So I'm going to use 3 teaspoons of coffee powder. I'm using this coffee and a little bit for that extra kick. So I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of water, less than 1/4 cup. Mix it up. To this I'll add sugar. Alright, so I'm gonna whisk this up. Alright guys, so now I'm going to make this bun maska. These are cute little sweet buns which I bought. In Mumbai, there are many Irani hotels where you get this bun maska, and I personally love it a lot. So what you have to do is just take your bun, slice them, I've applied butter on all the buns and I've kept one bun. I want to apply some jam in it. Right, I'm going to remove all the bread. I'm not toasting them today. So here you go. So I've lined up my breakfast. As you can see, my buns, bread, and my lovely cheese omelette. You can see the cheese is oozing out. And now I'm going to remove the coffee. Alright guys, I'm going to pour in my coffee. Here you go. Alright, my breakfast is all served. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Do take care of yourself. Until my next video, Allah Hafiz. Bye.